What if the complete path to freedom was already laid out for us? Welcome back to Aria Dharma, where we explore pure Theravada teachings, from the Pali Canon to bring calm and clarity to everyday life in the modern West. In the previous episode, we delved into right mindfulness and right concentration, the factors that cultivate deep awareness, and unified mind essential for insight. Today, we complete the Noble Eightfold Path, reviewing all 8 factors together and seeing how they form a harmonious whole leading to the end of suffering. The Buddha taught the Eightfold Path as the 4th noble truth, the practical way to realize the cessation of dukkha through wisdom, ethical conduct, and mental training. Right view and right intention form the wisdom group, providing clear understanding of reality and pure motivation rooted in renunciation, goodwill, and harmlessness. Right speech, right action, and right livelihood form the ethical. Conduct group, purifying words, deeds, and livelihood to create harmony and trust in the world. Right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration form the mental. Training group, directing energy, awareness, and focus toward deep calm and insight. Together, these 8 factors work interdependently, like the spokes of a wheel, supporting each other to turn smoothly toward liberation. The Buddha explained in the Magga, Vibhanga Sutta from Samyutta Nikaya 45.8, that the path is gradual, each factor strengthening the others in a virtuous cycle. Practicing one factor naturally supports the rest, creating conditions for wisdom to arise and suffering to fade completely. For us in the modern West, the Eightfold Path offers a complete framework for living with integrity, mindfulness, and compassion amid daily pressures. Right view helps us see stress not as permanent, but as arising from causes we can address, reducing anxiety through understanding. Right intention motivates kind and ethical choices, softening the heart and building meaningful relationships in a competitive world. Right speech and action create trust and safety, allowing us to navigate work and social life with less conflict and regret. Right livelihood aligns our career with non-harm, bringing peace of mind even in demanding jobs. Right effort directs energy toward wholesome habits, replacing distraction with purposeful focus. Right mindfulness keeps us present, turning routine moments into opportunities for calm. Right concentration deepens that calm, creating space for insight to emerge naturally. The path is not rigid, but flexible, starting wherever we are with small steps that grow into profound transformation. The Buddha's teaching shows that anyone, lay or monastic, can follow this path in daily life for gradual liberation. In the next episode on Aria Dharma, we will explore Kamma and its role in shaping experience building on the path for deeper understanding. Thank you for joining this journey with Aria Dharma, where we explore the original teachings to cultivate calm, clarity, and compassion in everyday Western life. Read the Magga Vibhanga Sutta Samyutta. Nikaya 45.8 at Sutta Central or Access to Insight. Free public domain resources for all to study the authentic words of the Buddha. May the Dhamma guide you toward peace as the Eightfold Path offers. A complete way to freedom from suffering for all who practice. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, inviting you to subscribe and explore more. Pure Theravada wisdom for your path. To gentle inner healing and understanding. The Eightfold Path is timeless, showing that ethical living, mental training, and wisdom together create the conditions for lasting peace. It encourages us to integrate the path into daily routines, reducing stress through mindful choices and compassionate interactions. Remember that each factor supports the others, like a wheel, turning smoothly when all spokes are strong. This teaching highlights that the path is accessible to everyone, offering practical steps for Western beginners in a busy world. The Buddha's path is complete and balanced, leading from ordinary life to profound awakening through steady practice. Join Aria Dharma for more insights, where each episode builds on this foundation to gently heal and awaken the mind in the spirit of the Buddha's legacy. Thank you once more for your time, and remember, the Eightfold Path begins with one mindful step in the present moment. May you find inspiration in this complete path to cultivate harmony and wisdom in your daily life. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, dedicated to sharing the original Theravada teachings for your personal growth and inner harmony. The Eightfold Path reminds us that freedom arises from integrated practice, not from isolated efforts alone. His teaching on the path shows that wisdom, ethics, and concentration are inseparable for true liberation. By reflecting on the 8 factors, we gain perspective on our habits, reducing reactivity and promoting tranquility. This tale encourages balanced living as the foundation, helping us build a life of integrity and peace in modern society. The legacy of the Eightfold Path invites us to practice all factors together, paving the way for deeper insight in our routines. Join us at Aria Dharma to delve further into these timeless principles designed for beginners seeking clarity and serenity in modern times. Thank you for embarking on this path with us, and may the Dhamma illuminate your journey toward a more awakened and compassionate existence. See you in the next episode, where we explore Kamma and rebirth in Theravada understanding. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, your companion in exploring the pure teachings of Theravada Buddhism for contemporary living. The complete Eightfold Path is a beacon for those seeking relief from confusion, offering practical wisdom that can gently guide life toward lasting tranquility.